How to connect TradingView with MetaTrader 5. Can you do automated trading using signals from TradingView? That's what I will answer in this video. And I will also show you easier ways to access trading bots, including BYBIT trading bots, MEXC trading bots that sometimes have zero fees. You will find all the resources in the description below the video with amazing welcome rewards. For example, on BYBIT, which is one of the favorites of our YouTube subscribers, they provide amazing welcome rewards. But first, let's talk on what is TradingView and what is MetaTrader 5. TradingView is a leading platform for charts for traders worldwide. You can see that it's great for analyzing prices and trends. And they provide multiple indicators and strategies so you can do the automated trading. Now, what is MetaTrader 5, also known as MT5? In many ways, MT5 is similar to TradingView because you can use it also to analyze the charts and prices. You can use automated trading bots or signals, and it's a trading platform mainly used for short-term trading. For example, many forex and stock traders like to connect MT5 and execute their trades on this platform. You may have seen on my previous videos how to use MetaTrader 5 trading bots and also how to use TradingView automated trading bots. So now the question arises, how and why to connect TradingView with MT5? The reason is that some people want to create or use strategies from TradingView and then execute them on MT5. And some people want it vice versa. So they want to take signals from MT5 providers and execute those trades on TradingView. And how to do the connection? You would need to have so-called bridge software to make the connection because there is not a direct way to connect them as you would connect, for example, a broker with TradingView or MT5. I will show you two examples of the software that can do the connection, and then I will give you a much easier alternative. Meta Connector and Pine Connector are two options. You can see it says here automate TradingView with MT5, and here on the Pine Connector TradingView alerts to MT5, TradingView to MetaTrader bridge. However, for most people, especially for beginners, there are a couple of challenges when it comes to this software. Let's take here, for example, the pricing of Pine Connector. If we look at the monthly pricing, the cheapest one is $39 a month, professional version $159 a month. And obviously, if you want to use this seriously, you would need to pay a subscription for Pine Connector, then a subscription for TradingView, then a subscription for MetaTrader 5 VPS. So you have at least 3 different subscriptions that you need to pay every month. On top of that, you need to manage 3 different things at the same time. So you need to manage MT5, you need to manage TradingView, and you need to manage the Pine Connector software or Meta Connector if that's the one you prefer, or any other bridge software. Of course, if you are professional with lots of funds and you can just freely pay all these subscriptions, feel free to do it. But it's definitely not the best option for most people. For more than 90% of the people, it's much easier and better to focus on just one platform and then no subscription fees. So you have built-in trading bot, you don't need to manage multiple platforms, and you simply do it easily. And that's why I will give you now better alternatives on how you can do it simply within one platform, starting from BYBIT, which provides great welcome rewards for our YouTube subscribers. As you can see here on BYBIT, when you come into Tools and Trading Bot, they provide multiple built-in trading bots. When you use any of these, you don't need to pay monthly subscriptions, you don't need to be managing multiple software. Just to show you the easiest and my #1 recommended bot here, you click here, create, it opens this view. You can start even with just one USDT USDT, you click here create now and the bot will be up and running for you. On BYBIT you can nowadays do also the TradFi trading, which means that you can trade forex, indices, stocks, metals like gold and silver and other ones, commodities, and also cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, USDT, Ethereum and other ones. In fact, BYBIT is the #2 ranked crypto trading platform in the world, and they provide automated trading bots for crypto trading and nowadays even for TradFi trading, where you can automate your trades for stocks, forex, commodities, indices, metals and more. So you can do everything on BYBIT on one platform, no monthly subscription fees or anything complex. And that's why this is much better for most people. Again, I will leave you the first link in the description for BYBIT if you want to get the welcome rewards. If you want to get another alternative with potentially lower trading fees, MEXC is of course a great option because they have hundreds of trading pairs with zero trading fees. No monthly fees, no annual fees and zero trading fees for many pairs. They provide built-in automated trading bots including spot DCA, futures trading bot, and nowadays you can trade also TradFi on this platform including gold, oil, stocks and forex, and of course all kinds of crypto trading pairs on spot trading and futures trading. So the main differences between MEXC and BYBIT is that BYBIT is a little bit bigger, they have somewhat more users and liquidity, but on the other hand MEXC has lower trading fees. And they also provide more trading pairs than BYBIT. So on MEXC you have a little bit more flexibility. And if you want to get another all-in-one platform without monthly subscription, without fees, that has almost everything, Gate is a great option because it was founded already in 2013 and they have added so many different trading products that it's hard to imagine. They have more than 10 different automated built-in trading bots, as you can see on the screen, even the custom trading bots. Of course you can connect TradingView to Gate as well to do the signal trading here. They also provide auto invest, spot trading, futures trading, TradFi trading, pretty much anything you can imagine. So Gate is great for those who want the most number of trading products. And if you want to get even more alternatives, I have collected for you an ultimate guide that you get again as a free gift as my YouTube viewer. You put your email address here, click here sign up and I will send you everything for free. Now my friend, you will find all the links and resources in the description below my video so you can get started immediately.